Hello, welcome to My Life is Mathematics channel. Today we will discuss about hyperbola and trigonometry. It is April 4th shift 2 paper. Let's enter into the problem.
11th problem. It is given that the equation x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. It is the hyperbola equation. So it is the hyperbola. The hyperbola, the point ae comma 0, it is the minus ae comma 0. So the distance between the focuses foci is 6. The distance between foci is 6. So 2ae is equal to 6. ae is equal to 3a. Next, it is the a by e minus a by e comma 0. a by e comma 0. It is the plus a by e comma 0. The distance of directrix is it is 2a by e. So 2a by e is equal to 8 by 3. a by e is equal to 4 by 3. So both multiply. It is equation 1 equation 2 multiply. Both multiply a square by e into e is equal to 4 by 3 into e 3. 3 cancel. E cancel. A square is equal to 4. A is equal to 2. Now we need the e value. E is equal to e is equal to 3 by a. So there is equal to 3 by 2. E value 3 by 2. So e value now b square value. B square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. A square value 4. E square value 9 by 4 minus 1. There is equal to 4 into 9 minus 4. 5 by 4. So 4 cancel. B square is equal to 5. Now it is the extant form. Here it is a line x is equal to alpha. X is equal to alpha. So it is the alpha comma 0. Alpha comma 0. This is the what is the area of triangle is 4 root 15. So we need this one. This is x is equal to alpha means it is alpha comma y. It is alpha comma minus y. Submit the hyperbola equation. X square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. So x means alpha square by a square means 4 minus y square by b square means 5 is equal to 1. Y is equal to square root of 5 into alpha square minus 4 by 4 y value. Next we need the area of triangle. So area, this is length base. The base is equal to base is equal to, it is a 2y. So there is equal to 2 into square root of 5 into alpha square minus 4 whole by root 4 value 2. So it is cancelled. So base is the 5 into alpha square minus 4. But we need the height. Height is this is alpha comma 0. The distance is alpha. So height h is equal to alpha. So area of triangle half into base. Base means square root of 5 into alpha square minus 4 into height alpha. Alpha is equal to they give the 4 root 15. 4 root 15. Squaring on both side. Squaring on both side. It is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 5 into alpha square minus 4. Alpha square is equal to 4 into 4 means 16. 16 into 15. 5 1s are 5 3s are. So alpha or 4 minus 4 alpha square is equal to 16 4s are 64. 64 into 3 192. So alpha for 4 minus 4 alpha square minus 192. So it is a factor. So we need 4. So 16 into 12 minus 16 plus 12. So alpha square minus 16 alpha square alpha for 4 alpha square plus 12 alpha square minus 192 is equal to 0. Alpha square is equal to 16. Alpha is equal to 4. So we need the value. What is the alpha square value? Alpha square is equal to 16. The answer is alpha square is the 16. Option 2 is the right answer. Here we need to find what is the maximum value of this expression. So I will do one thing. 16 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 cos square x by 2. So it is a sin 2x formula, which means 8 sin x. Here cos square x we can write as a 1 plus cos x by 2. 4 into sin x plus cos x sin x. 4 into sin x, you can write as a sin x cos x, again formula sin 2x, sin 2x, here 2 not there, so by 2. So let e is equal to 4 of sin x plus sin 2x by 2. dE by dx is equal to 4 of cos x plus 2 cos 2x by 2. 2 cancel. So we need to find the critical points. dE by dx is equal to 0. Cos x plus cos 2x is equal to 0. It is the formula cos of cos c plus cos d formula. X plus 2x by 2, 3x by 2, cos x by 2, 2x minus x, x by 2 is equal to 0. So cos 3x by 2 is equal to 0, one condition. Cos x by 2 is equal to 0. So 3x by 2 is equal to pi by 2, x by 2 is equal to pi by 2. So x is equal to pi by 3 or x is equal to pi. X is equal to pi, these two are critical points. So the curve at pi by 3, at pi it will change. So the curve will go like this way. Like this way will go. Let's check the what is the maximum point. Look, submit the x by 2. Submit here 16 into pi by 3 sin of pi by 6 cos cube of pi by 6. 16 into this value 1 by 2, this value 3 root 3 by 2 by 8. Cube means 2 cube 8. There is equal to 3 root 3.